Introducing the Heritage Bathroom Accessory range, locally manufactured by Dominus and exclusive to Italtile. This collection epitomizes classically designed luxury, gracefully combining the romance of a bygone era and the timeless quality of the most modern manufacturing processes. In 3 contrasting finishes: chrome, brushed brass, or a chrome-white combination. The Heritage range includes glass shelves, assorted towel rails, rings and robe hooks, toothbrush holders, soap racks and dishes, a toilet paper and spare paper holder, as well as a toilet brush set. All the pieces in the Heritage Bathroom Accessory range are manufactured from solid brass, are durable and simple to install, and are supplied with strong corrosion-proof fixations for rigid, secure support through a lifetime of use. Alternative fixations are available for glass, wood and dry walls, and towel rails in the range can be supplied in custom lengths, with a maximum length of 1000 millimeters. Shop the classic meets contemporary Heritage Bathroom Accessory range at Italtile today.